Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting to learning class 10 with real numbers. In this video, I will explain Euclid's division lemmas in a very simple way. Let's study. Euclid's division lemma says if we divide a number by another number b, then we get quotient Q and remember R such that let's write A equal to BQ plus R. Here A equal to dividend, B equal to divisor, Q equal to quotient, and remember that that remainder is always less than divisor. Understand? Now let's take a example. We have 23 divided by 5. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, we write it 23 equal to 5 into 4 plus 3. How it comes? Let's explain. When we divide 23 by 5, we get 5 4 20, remainder 3. Here 5 is divisor, 3 is remainder, and 4 is quotient. Quotient. So that according to the Euclid's division lemma, we write it 23 equal to 4 into 5 plus 3. One another example for your practice. Let's do it together. Try this question. 45 divided by 6. Now we divide 45 by divisor 6. 6 7 ja 42 minus 4 4 4 0 होती है and 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Remainder. Here you can see that remainder is always less than by divisor. Understand? Our quotient is 7. Now we can write it 45 equal to 6 into 7 plus 3. Understand? Now one homework question is 50 divided by 7. Do it at home or comment below the actual process. Okay, if you understand this concept, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Next video will be one more questions from real numbers. Thank you, and comment below the answers and process properly. Thank you so much.